Hello students, welcome to your English class. Today we are revising sound of vowel U. Letter U sound is O. So let's start. You read with me. Letter U, letter T sound is ut. H ut hut, N ut nut, B ut but, K ut cut, Sh ut shut. Next, letter U, letter G sound is ug. H ug hug, P ug pug, M ug mug, J ug jug, T ug tug, B ug bug. Next, letter U, letter B sound is ub. T ub tub, B ub bub, K ub cub, H ub hub, D ub dub, S ub sub. Next, letter U, letter M sound is G gum, S sum, M mum, H hum, B bum. Next, letter U, letter N sound is un. F fun, R run, S sun, N nun, B bun. Next, letter U, letter P sound is up. K up cup, P up pup, S up sup. Okay students, learn this page carefully. Bye bye. Have a nice day.